In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add header and footer in DocHub. If you want your PDFs to look polished, consistent, and easy to navigate, adding a clear header and footer is a great place to start. I'll walk you through the process step by step, keeping things simple and practical. First, open your PDF in DocHub. Head to DocHub.com and open or upload the document you want to edit. Once your file is on screen, we'll begin by creating a header. Select the text tool by clicking the AA icon in the toolbar. Then click near the top margin of the page to place a text box where your header will go. Type the content you want in the header. Common choices are your company name, the document title, a confidential label, or a date. Keep it concise so it doesn't distract from the main content. Format the header so it's readable and consistent. A font size between 10 and 14 usually works well for headers, large enough to see but not overwhelming. If you need emphasis, choose bold. For alignment, decide what suits your layout. Center alignment for a clean, formal look, or left or right alignment if your document follows a specific style. After that, position the text box precisely by dragging it into place at the top center or into a corner. Take a moment here to make sure it's aligned evenly with the page margins. To apply the same header to the rest of the document, right-click the text box and copy it. Go to page 2 and paste, then repeat for each page. If you see an option to duplicate to all pages, use it to speed things up and maintain perfect consistency. Now let's add a footer. Again, select the text tool with the AA icon. Click near the bottom area of the page to place a text box for your footer. Type the footer content you need, such as a page number, a copyright notice, a revision code, or general company contact information without any sensitive details. Format this so it stays subtle. A slightly smaller font than your body text, typically around 8 to 11 points, looks professional and doesn't compete with the main content. If you prefer a softer appearance, choose a gray color. Align it where it belongs in your layout. Bottom center, bottom left, or bottom right. Finally, duplicate the footer the same way as the header. Right-click to copy, paste it on each page, or use the duplicate on all pages option if it's available. That's it. Your document now has clean, consistent headers and footers throughout.